Hi Fabians, look what arrived. It's Borali products. Can't wait to open up them. As always, very bad at cutting. How have you guys been doing? I've been doing a lot of unboxing, and frankly, let me tell you, I'm not able to share all the unboxings. I got so much of material throughout like in the week, but I'm not able to do a lot of unboxing, but I do what best I can do. Okay, so I ordered Resin's resin. So this is all epoxy resin. It's been long I've not used them, but finally it's here. So actually I was going through their stories and I found that they have launched this amazing blue holographic drizzles, and I'm loving them. I can't wait to use. Look how shiny are they. Then I ordered something which I will be sharing soon. This is an XYZ product. It will help me in XYZ resin stuff, and let's see and hope that it works the best, because it's something new that I'm trying on, and hopefully it will work out. As we know, the product is all about it, but still I'm just trying. And this is their easy silicone mold silicone, part A and part B, as we mix in resin. All the steps of how to use this. Can't wait to use this also. Let's see how these two things work. And that was all about it. I've got 3 different things. I've got 3 kgs of resin. I have got this total of 200 grams of silicone. Then I've got this amazing drizzles. Can't wait to use them. And of course, something unknown. Do you guys want to guess what is it about? Let me know. What is it? Can you guess?